Right, mastering my in. Just my usual Jack and Jill, my two white birds. Get the lids in that all washed. Stuck my band white down the floor for that one. There we go, I feel more like a pigeon or when I look in that. I know it's no about what it looks like. It's about the upkeep and care. But put some in the boxes. They all seem to be happy. It's been sprayed down. I put another egg in the flare today. So I've not got another nest pan, so rather than take a nest pan out of a box, I've put that nest pad down in the flare. But seem to be happy with the cat litter. Lettuce doesn't usually last long. I just missed that wee tucking in, but it's because I'm with the iPad. That's the wee I was talking about the other day there. Is she checkered or is she grizzled? Can anybody tell me? I've not got it round yet. It's a wee assay bird, I can never get her. And then when it's dark I forget sometimes. Beautiful, I need to get a ring on her, she's a wee ass. But is she checkered or is she a grizzle? I'm favouring checkered. But I just need somebody else to keep me right. But that's just a monster shelf, I'm doing it really alone. But no, I'm actually eating this stuff, but it'll be alright. It's no dangerous to them. Here it isn't. The black one's tucked under there. That's Mum and Dad. But no, everybody's great. Everybody's great. Spready's boyfriend. She must have put her up. But I'm away to crack on with the rest. I've got the garden and Diesel's nice to tidy up, and then I need to go in and tidy up the house. I'll just leave the loft open and I'll keep an eye to the kitchen while I'm in the kitchen preparing the dinner. But everybody's happy and the loft's looking great.